What's up, everyone? Welcome to another Real Talk episode. After a very long time, I'm filming a Real Talk episode. For those of you who are just newly joined to Yuri Squad family, welcome. In Real Talk series, what I do is I generally pick the experiences of my life or from other people's life and talk very raw from my heart to you as an elder brother, as a mentor, as a friend, whatever you want to consider me. So, in this video, we're going to talk about one most important thing as a student, as a person, which will help you to be successful in United States. Let's get started. Before I start this video, I just want to quickly mention that vlogs are back. I'm vlogging almost every day. So if you are new and would like to know the vlog style, or not vlog, but my daily lifestyle, what I do, and other cultural things, I have a vlog channel. It's called UDJ Vlogs. Link in the description. Also, right here, the photo is here. Go and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So far, I have filmed more than 100 podcast episodes, which means I've talked to more than 100 people on this channel who have come and shared their experience and their successful journey. And when I say successful, I mean like they've completed their masters, successfully graduated, have a good job, good paying job, and either paying back their loan, paid off their loan, buying a home, whatever. But it's a good successful story. And so far, what I've noticed, one common thing is that everybody, and even myself, agrees to this point, is that you shouldn't be afraid of what other people think. You need to take the first step and do not be afraid of what other people are going to think of you and your opinion. This is the main culprit which is going to stop you from being successful in United States. That's how I live. I'm not afraid of what other people think of me, and everybody can have their own opinion of me. Everybody can have an opinion of anybody, but you shouldn't be afraid of what they are thinking of you. And especially when you're a student, especially when you're seeking jobs, especially when you are in this journey. And I'm going to tell you my personal experience. When I came to United States, I was very shy. I was introvert, and I'm still an introvert, but I was very shy. And I come from lower middle class family, and when I came here, super scared of all the other people opinion, that what are they going to think, and if I ask this, people are going to make fun of me. People are going to think I don't know this stuff. People are going to think that I'm so stupid to ask these questions. These thoughts will come to your head. Trust me, they will. I am telling you, they will come to your head, and what you have to do is just ignore those thoughts, because what that thoughts will do is not let you talk to other people, not let you express your opinion, express your thoughts. So I highly recommend you to overcome this fear. No matter what, do not be afraid of what they are going to think of you. Now these applies to four main places. One is, do not be afraid to talk to your professors. This is number one key thing in United States. Professors in United States are super friendly. They would love to help you grow in your professional successful career. They want to make you successful. So do not be afraid of asking them questions about life, about career, about your assignments, about courses, about what career path you should choose. Consider them as your mentor if you want to make them one. So do not be afraid of asking them. They expect you to ask questions. And sometimes, some questions you might think like, this is a very simple question. I mean, it's too simple to ask them, but go ahead and ask them. You want to be as natural as you can. Of course, don't come up with questions to ask them. If you have questions and if you're afraid that what is he gonna think or what is she gonna think of you, do not be afraid. Just go for it and ask. What's the worst will happen? They will say like, do your own research, or they will not respond to you. Next comes, do not be afraid of what your alumni and seniors are going to think of you when you reach out to them for campus job. Even going further, a point beyond and above, do not be afraid to reaching out to different departments, different business departments, each and every single department on your campus, and asking them if there is an on-campus job available. Trust me, I have seen examples of people who have actually not cared of what other people are going to think of them. They went to every single department. If you watch back the Aditya's episode, if you watch back Akriti's episode, they did not worry about what they're going to think of it. They just went ahead and asked them the questions like, hey, I'm looking for on-campus job. Is there any position available in your department? If you are stuck and if you are afraid of asking these questions, you will never get an opportunity to work on campus. Not saying that you have to work on campus, but you will miss out on that. Similarly, alumni and seniors, do not be afraid of reaching out to them. So that is very important, that for on-campus job opportunities, you have to get out of your comfort zone and you have to not worry about what other people are going to think of you. Coming to my next point, which is do not be afraid to participate in college events, in college clubs. When I say that, I literally mean there are clubs on campus where you can actually go and participate in their events. People have gone to MIT, Stanford for competitions just because they were part of a club, and they actually asked and they reached out to the head saying that, hey, I saw the competition, how can I participate? And then they made a group, they made a team because they saw the initiative you took to ask them a question, and they included you into a Stanford competition or Harvard competition, whatever that is. My thing is that do not be afraid of engaging in this college events and in college clubs. There will be lots of college events where you go. Do not just stay by yourself. Get out of your comfort zone. Even if you're introvert, even if you're shy, you don't know what you want to talk about. That's the next thing I will talk about in the next future videos. I'll tell you what you should have a conversation about, what you should start talking about. But the biggest thing is remove the fear of, if I ask this, if I say this, what will they think about me? Is my thinking bad? Is my thought process bad? I think just that, removing that thought process mindset from you is my goal through this video. Because myself, I have come across from going from extreme comfort zone to like being very uncomfortable. I was thrown into leadership meetings. I was thrown into public speaking and speaking in front of 300 students and 500 students and doing a yoga class, a meditation class. These are all my like out of my comfort zone, super out of comfort zone, super out of my league. But I went and I did it. That's how I grew. I made mistakes. Maybe there will be, out of 300 people, maybe 100 people laughed at me. Maybe 100 people laughed at my English. But if because of that fear that they're going to laugh at me, or they're going to think that I'm stupid, or they're going to think that I don't know how to speak English, if I thought about that, I wouldn't have participated, then I would have never grown as a leader. That gives you, so that's what I want to say, that make sure that you go out of your comfort zone and do not be afraid of what other people are going to think, what your classmates are going to think, what your club mates are going to think, what other people on event are going to think of you. Final point is participating in campus recruiting events, career centers. Do not be afraid to ask questions. Please do not make these mistakes. There will be a lot of companies who will come to your campus, and you have to make a conversation, but you cannot be afraid of like what are they going to think of me, and because of that you never make a conversation. Regardless of that, they will not think of you at all, so at least they will think of you something. So make a conversation, go ahead and be out of your comfort zone, talk about something. I've seen so many students who just come for free food, take the free food and leave. They never make a conversation with the people who are coming from. I highly recommend step out of that, bed chal in India, we say that. Step out of that zone, become uncomfortable, go and talk to people. No matter if it is the senior person or it's the entry-level person, just go and make a conversation. Same with career fair. Do not be afraid of talking to something. Do not be afraid of asking questions. Every campus has this career center services, and they will help you with resume, cover letter. Ask them questions again and again. Ask them to review your LinkedIn profile. Ask them to review your resume. You are paying for all this. So don't be afraid. What are they going to think of you if you ask them a question? Don't be afraid if you have to switch the counselor. Don't be afraid. I just wanted to share this because it's been there in my head in the morning. So I thought I'll let you know, and just wanted to share because I just spoke to a girl, who's a follower of ours, who wanted to talk to me because she was super nervous, and her biggest problem was that she was just afraid of what if she asked these stupid questions. And I told her, why? Like, why are you afraid about asking stupid questions? It's okay. It's okay to ask stupid questions. At least you will get out of that comfort zone. So I told her, and she did, and she now has an interview. So anyway, my point is that just do not be afraid. Come out of that mindset. Whenever you're coming, come out of that mindset. If you're here, remove that mindset if you are already in that zone. In future videos, I want to talk about what exactly conversation you should have, how to start a conversation with a stranger. Essentially, that's what I'm asking you. I'm telling you that, hey, you don't know this person, you don't know this people, and go and make a conversation. Get out of your comfort zone, but you don't really know what should I talk about. I get it. I totally get it. And I was at the same spot. I'll teach you what I did, and also obviously a lot of people I've talked to, I know what they did. So I'll combine this and make a separate video on how to start a conversation. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling and keep hustling. You gotta hustle every single day.